Welcome to this demo on Databricks Governed Tags, a feature for enforcing consistent, secure tagging across your data assets. Governed tags enable you to define approved tag keys and values at the account level, control who can assign them, and ensure tags follow organizational standards. This solves common problems like inconsistent tagging, weak compliance, and unclear cost tracking. With governed tags, you can enforce data classification, attribute-based access control, cost attribution, and improve searchability and automation, all across your entire Databricks environment. In this demo, you'll see how to create governed tags, set policies, and apply those tags to data assets with built-in governance controls. So let's get started. I'll start by navigating to my Unity catalog and selecting the new Governed Tags tab. Once there, I can begin creating tag keys. To create governed tags, you must have the Create permission at the account level. The Manage permission allows editing, deleting, and managing permissions for governed tags. And the Assign permission controls who can assign governed tags to Unity catalog objects, but is separate from creation or management. Once your tag and values are created, only those with the designated permissions will be able to create, manage, and assign governed tags, and you can grant those permissions through group-based access policies. Being able to add governed tags at the catalog, schema, table, or column level is powerful because it enables precise and consistent control over your data assets. This granularity supports fine-grained access control, regulatory compliance, and accurate cost tracking. Additionally, governed tags prevent changing tag values arbitrarily since only predefined allowed values can be assigned. This enforces standardization, eliminates inconsistencies, and ensures that tagging policies are uniformly applied across your entire environment. Governed tags enable creating many standardized tags that serve diverse governance and business needs. They can be used for data classification, regulatory compliance, cost tracking, attribute-based access control, resource discovery, and operational automation. By enforcing consistent tag values and controlled assignment, governed tags help both businesses and IT ensure clear ownership, secure access, accurate cost allocation, and streamlined data management across the organization. Interestingly, governed tags can be set using SQL alter table and set tag statements at the catalog, schema, table, or column levels. This allows governance to be integrated directly into existing SQL workflows, making tagging easier and more consistent. It enables automated and standardized tag enforcement during schema changes or data updates, reducing manual errors and ensuring compliance across all data assets seamlessly. After running the SQL to set my tags, notice how several tags are now applied to various tables and columns. And when processes change and tag values need to be altered, I can also run the unset tag on table and column SQL to remove the tags. And sure enough, we can see that the tags have been removed from my tables and columns. Now, the ability to create and delete governed tags programmatically using code like this could provide huge value by adding and allowing end-to-end automation and scalability in managing data governance policies through bulk creation, centralized metadata management approaches, and deployment across large environments, while integrating seamlessly into CI/CD pipelines and automated governance workflows. However, this capability doesn't seem like it's supported yet via the Databricks API, probably because governed tags is still fairly new. Nonetheless, I'd hope to see this feature available as this capability matures. Well, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for updates as Databricks continues to evolve governed tags and data governance features.